If I was a fly, I would fly high and live in Hawaii. Taste an apple pie. See a bonsai. Please, just let me fly. Not to Shanghai. What about the 4th of July? I would say goodbye, because I'm a wise guy who wears a black tie. I'm not a spy who looks like Marty McFly. I say no to a Mai Tai, because I'm a good guy. Like the samurai, I love the blue sky. This is not a lie. Stand by.